Hey guys, this is June Collier from Make Your Money Work for You, and today is Monday, February 27th, and I want to talk about the market because the market is down heavy today because of the coronavirus scare, and so I want to talk about investing in stocks that are not directly tied to international plays like the coronavirus or even the China trade deals that have been going on. And so those have been two big things that have had a huge effect in the US stock market. And so today what I want to do is I want you to consider a company called Waste Management. That's right, Waste Management. This is the garbage disposal business. This is the company that comes up and picks up your garbage every week. They dispose of it. They have a lot of different services like landfills. They have dumpster rentals. They do bulk pickup, trash pickup. They have yard waste and even portable toilets. But this is all in the waste management industry, and they're one of the largest waste management companies in North America. So they're US based, and everything that they do here is here in the US. And so the first thing I want to do is I want to hop over to Yahoo Finance, and I've already pulled this company up. Their ticker symbol is WM, and they are currently trading at $123.83. Now, again, you can see that the whole market is down right now because of the coronavirus fears escalate. South Korea and Italy confirm infections. And so, the whole market is down. It's just if you're a trader in the market, you know that the market is very emotional. This stock is down today about 0.5%. It's trading at 123.83. However, here's the good thing. The waste management here in the U.S. Really has no ties to the coronavirus scare or the China trade deals that have been going on. And so this is a stock that you may want to, take a look at and consider. And so the first thing that I like to always do is I always like to take a quick glance at the stock itself, take a look at what we are looking at. And so we can see that the stock previously closed at 124. Let's go ahead and look at the 52-week range. So it's been between 97.55 and $126.79. So we're, really close to the 52-week high. Let's take a look at dividends. It has a dividend yield of 1.75%, pays out $2.18. And they just made an announcement that the dividend payout in March will go to 54.5 cents. So they're paying good dividends on this particular stock. We also like to take a look at the 5-year, the 1-year, and the 6-month trend. So if I go here and just get a quick overview, look at the 5-year trend. Oh man, that trend looks very, very beautiful. If I take a look at the 1-year trend, again, looks extremely, extremely beautiful. And then let's just take a look at the 6-month trend, and I like that as well. So 6-month, 1-year, and 5-year trends all look really good to me. And so let's take a look a little bit deeper at the chart itself. So we're going to click on the chart here. And when we get to the chart, what I like to look at, again, I'm going to look at this 5-year range. And so we'll take a look at the 5-year range. We love this 5-year range. If we went back 5 years ago, this stock was trading at $53.65. Again, today it is $123. This is over a 5-year period, the growth. So this has been a really, really great stock. Let's take a look at the dividends back 5 years ago. It was paying out 38 cents and a half per share. And then as we can see, this dividend has grown 41 cents, 42.5 cents, 46.5 cents, 51.25. And then the latest news says that it's going to 54.5 cents. So year over year, the actual dividend has grown as well. So we like to see that. We like to see a stock that's trending in an upward momentum. Let's take a look at the 1-year trend again. So we see that 1-year trend. So 1 year ago, the stock was trading about $99 and it's up to $123 today. And we'll take a look at the 6-month trend. We'll see that 6 months ago, the stock was trading right at 117. So it had a dip here, but overall, the trend is upward, doing really, really well. So we've seen the trend. Let's go and take a look at the financials on this particular stock, because that's going to be very important for us. And so I like to look at the top revenue growth on this stock. So top revenue growth here. In 2016, we had $13 billion, $14.4 billion in 2017, $14.9 billion in 2018, and $15.4 billion in 2019. And in the last 12-month period, we've had $15.4 billion. So again, this is a really, really great stock. Top line revenue growth is great. Let's take a look at the bottom line revenue growth. When we look at the bottom line revenue growth, 1.9, 1.9, 1.6, 1.7. So I like the bottom line revenue growth as well. Everything looks good here. Let's take a look over here to the right here. We look at our earnings. It has beat earnings over the last 4 quarters. And so this shows what it has actually beat the earnings by over the last 4 quarters. Got a quick look at the financials, the revenue growth annually. If we take a look at it on a quarterly basis, that looks well. This is just a really, really great stock to be looking at. Let's take a look at the cash flow. We'll look at the cash flow here. I always just kind of like to scroll down to the bottom and just kind of look at the free cash flow. So 1.6, 1.6, 1.8, $2 billion of cash flow. So this actually looks really, really good to me. So the cash flow is good. What else should we be looking at? Next thing that I like to look at is I like to see who's holding this stock. So let's take a look at the holders, and we can see that 80% of the shares are held by the institutional investors. And those are the big boys. Those are the Dow endowment companies. Those are the big mutual fund companies. And so what that means is that the top institutions believe in this stock, and so they've got a lot of their money that's parked in this stock. They are participating in this particular stock. And again, I think that trash pickup is a easy concept to understand. Is something that you know what trash pickup is. It's an easy concept to understand. And a lot of times when you're investing in a company, you want to be able to understand what it is that the company does. Waste Management is definitely a company that we understand what they do. They are US based. So, what happens internationally should not affect this particular stock. And it's just a really simple stock to take a look at. Got some great charts. I think this is a stock that people should strongly consider. So this is June Collier, again with Make Your Money Work for You. Just wanted to share this quick stock to look at, especially amidst all of the turmoil that's going on right now in the market with the coronavirus scare. Again, this is June Collier with Make Your Money Work for You. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.